facilities are like huge mechanisms. To make it run like clockwork, we need the best maintenance possible. And to take care of it, we need someone fast. Super fast. That's why we have Shiny. With her rocket skates, she is so quick that it makes you think she could be at two places at one time. And she can. With her ability to multiply, she is always everywhere where a helping hand is needed. For her, taking care of every building at the same time is a piece of cake. And it doesn't matter if the enemy stays invisible. She can see more than the average person. But after all, she is just having fun.